How to airdrop from iPhone to Mac. Airdrop is the fastest and most convenient way to wirelessly send documents, photos, notes, and other files from iPhone to Mac and vice versa. To be compatible with Airdrop, 1. Your Mac needs to be from 2012 or later, excluding mid-2012 MacBook Pro, and it must be running OS X Yosemite or later. 2. Your iPhone must be running iOS 7 or later. It's simple to check if your Mac supports AirDrop. 1. Click Finder in the dock. 2. Click the Go icon in the menu bar. 3. If you see AirDrop listed as an option in a drop-down menu, your Mac is compatible with this feature. To airdrop files from iPhone to Mac, you need to activate AirDrop on your devices. To activate AirDrop on your iPhone, simply swipe up and make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. To activate AirDrop on your Mac, just turn Wi-Fi on and AirDrop will be activated automatically. For older operating systems, you might need to activate AirDrop manually. Here's how to do it. 1. Open Finder and pick Go on the menu bar. 2. Click AirDrop and wait for an AirDrop window to open. 3. If Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is enabled, AirDrop will be activated automatically. If they are switched off, you'll be asked to turn them on. 4. In the AirDrop window, indicate who is allowed to see your Mac. Pick Allow Me to be discovered by everyone if the iPhone you're trying to pair with is not visible on your contact list. When you've successfully activated AirDrop on both iPhone and Mac, you can start sharing files between devices. Let's look at the examples of sharing pictures. 1. On the iPhone from which you want to AirDrop, find the pictures you wish to send and tap the sharing icon. 2. Wait a moment to let your iPhone discover nearby devices. 3. On the screen you'll be directed to, tap on the device you want to share a picture with. In this case, it will be your MacBook. Note, if you are airdropping from an iPhone to a Mac for the first time, you'll see a pop-up saying that your iPhone wants to send you a photo. Click Accept to receive the file. If you've already used AirDrop between these two devices before, a picture will start transferring automatically. 4. Once the transfer is complete, your Mac will show a push notification on the top right corner of the screen. To open newly received files on your Mac, click Open on the push notification or go to Finder then Downloads and click on the files you've just airdropped. Now you know all the ins and outs of using AirDrop. You should have no problem sending files from iPhone to Mac and vice versa.